I'd like to say friends kami. Meet or hindi naman kami nag-unfollowan, etc. Yung last, although nag-congratulate siya sa family ko tsaka sa team ko nung nanalo ako. Pero hindi kami message, pero okay lang. I think we're still friends. I haven't seen her since our last conversation nung we went separate ways. So,
Are you happy?
pero at the time, I mean, talagang walang issue sa aming dalawa. We both felt that it was time to move on.
Are you happy? Na-happy rin siya sa love life niya ngayon?
Very happy.
Do you know personally, Dom? Nagka-encounter ba kayo before?
Didn't meet him before, pero alam ko nag-uusap sila noon for other things. So, hindi naman talagang for any love intentions. Because about, I think he was asking if we were interested in buying a car.
Ganun yun.
Yun lang po.